Security companies want you to believe that keeping your family safe requires a $5,000 system and an expensive monthly subscription. But when researchers sit down and talk to actual convicted burglars, the things that keep them away have nothing to do with expensive electronics. The truth is, burglars are opportunists. They're looking for the absolute easiest, quietest target on the block. They want to get in and out without any confrontation. The most effective ways to defend your home are not about building an expensive fortress. They are about using basic psychology, natural barriers, and cheap hardware to make your house look like a terrible idea from the sidewalk. These are 20 low-budget, highly effective tricks that outsmart intruders long before they ever reach your front door. Number 20. The gravel perimeter. Landscaping is your first physical layer of defense. Laying a wide band of pea gravel or crushed stone directly under your ground floor windows and along the blind sides of your house creates a natural tripwire. Grass absorbs sound, making it easy to approach quietly, but it is physically impossible to walk across loose gravel without making a loud crunching noise. A burglar's biggest advantage is silence, and gravel instantly turns their need for stealth against them. It is a permanent alarm that never needs batteries. Number 19. Motion sensor floodlights. Darkness provides necessary cover, and taking that cover away breaks a criminal's confidence. Replacing standard porch lights with inexpensive motion-activated floodlights introduces an immediate element of surprise. When someone creeps toward your house and triggers a sudden, blinding burst of light, it ruins their night vision and creates intense uncertainty. They have no way of knowing if the light was triggered by a simple automatic sensor or if someone inside the house just flipped a switch because they heard footsteps outside. Number 18. The dog illusion. You do not actually need to own a massive guard dog to benefit from the psychological wall they build. A large, heavily worn metal dog bowl, placed clearly near the back door, combined with a faded warning sign on the fence, introduces a dangerous variable. Burglars want strict predictability. The mere suggestion of an aggressive, unpredictable animal is usually enough to make them walk away. They will almost always choose a different house where they know exactly what to expect. Number 17. Thorny window defenses. Ground floor windows are weak points, but you can protect them without installing iron bars. Planting dense, thorny shrubs like climbing roses or pyracantha directly beneath vulnerable windows creates a brutal physical barrier. Burglars actively avoid these plants because fighting through them makes noise, snags clothing, causes painful bleeding, and leaves physical evidence behind. It turns a quick, quiet entry into a painful and messy struggle they simply do not want to deal with. Number 16. The 3-inch screw upgrade. Most exterior doors come from the factory with strike plates held in place by short half-inch screws. Those small screws only bite into the thin wooden door frame, meaning a solid kick can easily split the wood. By replacing those factory screws with heavy-duty 3-inch wood screws, you anchor the metal plates directly into the solid wall studs framing the house. This cheap hardware upgrade turns a fragile door into a solid barrier that can withstand multiple full-body impacts. Number 15. The sliding door dowel. Sliding glass doors are incredibly vulnerable. Their factory latches are notoriously weak, and many older doors can simply be lifted completely off their tracks from the outside. You can completely neutralize this threat with a scrap piece of wood. Cutting a thick wooden dowel to fit snugly into the bottom interior track physically wedges the door shut. No matter how easily the intruder bypasses the handle lock, the door physically cannot slide open unless they completely shatter the glass. Number 14. Window security film. A determined intruder will eventually realize they can just break a window pane to reach a lock. Applying a clear, shatter-resistant security film to the inside of your windows will not stop the glass from breaking, but it completely changes how the glass behaves. The film holds the shattered pieces together in a tough sheet. Instead of a single quiet crash, the intruder is forced to repeatedly strike and rip at the window, creating prolonged noise they desperately want to avoid. Number 13. The doorstop alarm. Sometimes the most effective defense tools are the absolute simplest ones. A cheap, wedge-shaped door alarm placed under any inward opening door provides 2 heavy layers of defense at the exact same time. The rubber wedge provides intense physical friction against the floor, using the intruder's own pushing force to jam the door harder. Second, if the door is forced open even a fraction of an inch, it triggers an ear-piercing siren. It is the perfect backup defense for a weak side entrance. Number 12. The lived-in illusion. Most residential break-ins do not happen in the dead of night like the movies show. They happen during the normal workday when people are at the office or when a house appears completely empty. You can outsmart this pattern using cheap plug-in outlet timers. Setting lamps and a radio to turn on and off at natural intervals creates the highly convincing illusion that someone is home, awake, and moving around. An occupied house is a dangerous house for a thief, so they avoid it. Number 11. The deadbolt reality check. A standard push-button handle lock is terrifyingly easy to defeat with a credit card or hard twist. The only lock that actually matters is a heavy-duty deadbolt with a metal bolt that extends a full inch into the reinforced frame. But the hardware only works if your habits support it. The strongest deadbolt in the world is completely useless if you forget to use it. The real trick is building the strict daily habit of locking every single door. If these tactics are helping you rethink how you protect your property, subscribe to All About Survival. That is exactly what we focus on here, giving you practical, proven ways to keep your family safe. Number 10. The Advanced Warning System. Surprise is a home invader's most powerful weapon, but a simple wireless driveway alarm takes the advantage away completely. By placing a weatherproof motion sensor hidden quietly along the main front walkway, you get an instant door chime the moment someone approaches your property. This crucial advanced warning gives you the exact time you need to wake up, assess the situation, and prepare a response long before a stranger ever reaches your front porch. Number 9. The Sprinkler Shock. Motion-activated sprinklers were originally designed to keep deer out of vegetable gardens. It turns out they work flawlessly on human trespassers too. If someone is creeping through the dark backyard looking for a weak window, a sudden burst of cold water is a massive physical shock. The loud mechanical ticking of the sprinkler head breaks their concentration, completely ruins their stealth, and almost always sends them sprinting heavily back toward the safety of the street. Number 8. The Work Boot Bluff. Psychological deterrence is all about changing the math inside a burglar's head. Setting a massive, heavily scuffed pair of men's steel-toe work boots outside the back door implies the immediate presence of someone who is large, capable, and ready for physical resistance. It completely alters the intruder's assumptions about what kind of fight they might face inside. This tiny detail often shifts their attention away from your home and toward an easier, less intimidating target down the road. Number 7. The Camera Shell Game. Visible security cameras are an excellent deterrent, but wiring a massive system around your entire property gets incredibly expensive very quickly. You can achieve the exact same psychological effect by mixing one real, functioning camera at the main entrance with several cheap, highly realistic dummy cameras at the other corners of the house. A burglar simply cannot risk guessing which lenses are real. This forces them to behave as if they are being recorded from every possible angle. Number 6. Erasing the shadows. Intruders heavily rely on concealment to buy themselves time while they pry at a window or bump a door lock. Overgrown foundation bushes and low-hanging tree branches provide them with the perfect shadowy outdoor workspace. By aggressively trimming back thick shrubs and cutting tree branches up to at least 6 feet off the ground, you expose the exterior of your house to the street. If a burglar cannot physically hide while they do their work, they will not stay. Number 5. Independent solar security. Dark corners, back fence lines, and side gates are prime targets for a break-in. Running electrical wire out to those areas is often too difficult or expensive for a normal homeowner. Solar-powered motion lights solve this exact problem perfectly. They run entirely independently of your home's main power grid, requiring zero complicated wiring, and automatically eliminate the deep, dark outdoor spots that burglars actively look for when they are quietly scouting a property for weaknesses. Number 4. The Vacation Disguise. Nothing highlights an empty house faster than a completely empty driveway, a porch covered in delivery packages, and a constantly overflowing mailbox. When you travel, the main goal is to make the house look perfectly normal and boring. Stop your mail delivery, pause the daily newspaper, and ask a trusted neighbor to occasionally park their car in your driveway. A house that looks like it is following a normal daily routine rarely gets a second look from someone scouting the neighborhood. Number 3. Defense in depth. Security professionals do not ever rely on one single magic tool to stop a threat. They use overlapping layers. You build an outer ring using crushed gravel and motion lights to detect movement. You build a middle ring using thorny bushes and window security film to drastically slow down an approach. You build an inner ring using deep frame screws and sliding door dowels to stop an actual breach. Layering these cheap defenses creates compounding points of physical resistance. Number 2. The Neighborhood Network. You can buy all the latest smart gadgets in the world, but a neighborhood where people actually know each other and pay attention is the absolute ultimate deterrent. Neighbors who know your normal routine, recognize your family cars, and are not afraid to step outside and question an unfamiliar face provide a real-time, adaptive defense that no camera can ever match. Human eyes and active community awareness are terrifying to someone trying to operate in secret. Number 1. The Path of Most Resistance. The absolute most important defense strategy you can learn is recognizing exactly how criminals choose their targets. Burglars are not criminal masterminds. They are lazy opportunists, strictly looking for the path of least resistance. Every single trick on this list does one specific thing. It makes your house look like entirely too much trouble. By using automatic lights, loud noise, hard physical barriers, and smart daily habits, you ensure that your property is simply not the easiest house on the street. And in the world of home defense, being the hardest target is often all it takes to keep your family safe. Subscribe to All About Survival for more, and I will see you in the next one.